Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make chicken madras from scratch. To make chicken madras from scratch, you will need 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 bay leaf, a 1-inch piece of cassia bark or cinnamon stick, 2 cardamom pods, 1½ large grated onion, 1 teaspoon of grated or minced ginger, 1½ teaspoons of grated or minced garlic, 1/4 cup of chopped fresh coriander, 1½ teaspoons of coriander powder, half of a teaspoon of cumin powder, half of a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste mixed with 3 tablespoons of water. This will make it easier to combine when cooking. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 grated tomatoes, 6 to 8 pieces of meat, 3 teaspoons of chili powder, and 250 milliliters of water. Before you begin, as chili strength can alter vastly between manufacturers and age, I suggest you add a smaller amount than suggested, as you can always add more towards the end of the cook if you need it. Heat a pan on medium and add the oil, bay leaf, cinnamon and cracked cardamoms, and fry for a minute until you can smell the spices. Add the grated onions and a little drop of water to keep it wet, and fry gently until the onions are soft and golden. Turn up the heat and add the ginger and garlic and fry for another 2 minutes. Add the fresh coriander, the coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, and tomato puree. Add the water and cook for 5 minutes. Add the tomatoes, salt, and meat, and cook until the meat is done and the sauce is at your required consistency. Please remember to like and subscribe, and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.